You are on, my friend. Yep, so turn around and then standing back handspring to a rebound. Look at the length. Love. Standing 2. 1, 2. Lovely. Standing 3. 1, 2. Woo! Look at the speed. Standing 4. 1, 2, 3. Is it weird to see your daughter doing this? Okay, perfect, good. Standing 5. As her tumbling coach is still kind of weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Way to fight! Are you dizzy? Your mom and I are dizzy watching this, girl. Okay, so we hit the top of the ladder. Now we come back down. So you got 4.
You don't have to be slow here.
Yeah, turn up. 1, 2, 3. Lexi, you look tall as you're doing these. We got 3. Goodness gracious. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. You have 2. Let's go. She ain't come to play today, guys. Let's see. 1, 2. Yes, ma'am. And then last one, handspring. Give me that rebound out of it.